2026 Ford Mustang GT. The Beast returns. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub, the place where horsepower meets innovation. And today, we're diving into something truly legendary. The 2026 Ford Mustang GT, the beast that's back, louder, meaner, and smarter than ever before. So buckle up, because for the next few minutes, we're taking a ride through every corner of this next-gen muscle car, from its killer looks to its roaring engine power. Let's roll. Take one look at the 2026 Mustang GT, and you'll instantly know. This is not just a car, it's an attitude on wheels. The wide front grille, those sharp LED headlights, and that aggressive stance scream performance from every angle. The signature pony emblem still sits proudly in the center, but everything around it feels more futuristic. Refined aerodynamics, bold lines, and that muscular hood that hides the V8 beast underneath. New color options like Adriatic Blue Metallic and Orange Fury give this car a vibrant, modern edge. And the rear? Oh man, those triple LED taillights and quad exhaust tips make sure everyone remembers you even after you pass them. It's classic Mustang DNA, reborn for the next generation. Step inside, and it's a completely different vibe. Pure muscle meets luxury. The cockpit feels driver-focused, with a massive 12.4-inch digital cluster that adapts to every driving mode. There's also a large 13.2-inch infotainment touchscreen, seamlessly integrated with SYNC4 software and full smartphone connectivity. You get premium leather-trimmed sport seats, customizable ambient lighting, and a flat-bottom steering wheel that just feels ready for the track. Every button, every curve, and even the stitching feels like Ford wanted you to live inside a performance machine. It's not just fast, it's comfortable, tech-loaded, and stylish. Show slow-motion clips of shifting gears, revving engine, interior drive footage. Now, let's talk about the real magic, the drive. The 2026 Mustang GT gives you two transmission choices, a 6-speed manual for purists who love the feel of shifting gears, and a 10-speed automatic for those who crave smooth acceleration and instant response. The clutch action is tighter, the shifts feel more mechanical. It's that raw, connected feeling you just can't fake. Hit the accelerator, and that 5.0-liter TVCT V8 growls to life, delivering pure American muscle sound. Add the active valve performance exhaust, and the roar turns into a symphony of thunder. Every gear feels alive, and every shift feels like a conversation between you and the car. Show performance graphics, speed shots, close-ups of engine and wheels. Alright, let's get into the numbers, because power matters. Under the hood, you're looking at 480 horsepower and 415 lb-ft of torque. But if you go for the optional exhaust upgrade, that jumps to 486 horsepower and 418 lb-ft. Wild for a rear-wheel drive coupe. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4 seconds, and with Launch Control Plus multiple drive modes, normal, sport, track, drag, and snow/wet, this thing can adapt to any mood you're in. Independent rear suspension, precise steering, and advanced traction systems keep you grounded even when you unleash all that V8 fury. It's not just power, it's perfectly engineered control. So what do you think? Has Ford nailed the perfect balance between old-school muscle and new-age technology? The 2026 Mustang GT isn't just a comeback. It's a statement that the legend still lives on. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome car content right here on Smart Drive Hub. Until next time, stay smart, drive safe, and keep chasing the roar.